Hey, welcome to Workout Wednesday. I love this next drill because it is really dynamic. And we're combining together a sagittal plane lunge with a push pattern with slightly different variability or vectors within where we're pushing. I'm using the ankle strap tethered, and today using a green band. So the lunge pattern, coming in and away again. I'm going to be working in opposition, so I've got the band in my right, leading forwards with the left leg. Again, check with your watch points on lunging, have a look at the previous videos. As I come forwards, I'm going to be punching ahead, returning. Now this is a punch and twist, so I'm going to continue the motion with my shoulder blade and get some really good rotation happening here. I can then come low, medium, high. Low, medium, and high. I can even take it out a little bit to the side. So this would be forward, sagittal. I might want to take it a little bit more bias on my frontal plane. Have fun with that one. Make sure you do both sides. We're looking for about 10 reps at least. Enjoy!